a big misconception with people that they think because their car's under factory warranty, they need to take it to the dealer and have it maintained by the dealer. And that's actually not to your advantage. There's nowhere in anyone's warranty does it say the dealer has to maintain it. The dealer basically lies to people and tell them that that's what they have to do, but it's not true. And the advantage of bringing it here for the service is that we will identify needed warranty work. Generally, when you take it to the dealer and they see, oh, that seal's leaking, they put on the blinders and they don't say anything about it while it's under warranty because the manufacturer strongly discourages them. I know this because I was at the dealer for 17 years. They discouraged me, but I still did it anyway. But the manufacturer strongly discourages that because they call it selling warranty and they don't want the dealer selling warranty. But if you bring it to me, I can identify the problems that are warranty, and then I can say, hey, go in and tell them my rear main seal is leaking. You can take your car to the dealer, say my rear main seal is leaking, and they have to fix it under warranty. So it's a really big advantage to have me do your maintenance and still take full advantage of any warranty that you have. And as far as like extended warranties, there's a lot of extended warranty companies that we work with that we can do warranty work right here. So just depending on the company.